Ayah, Betong Thailand again. This is my first trip abroad this year, and it seems like returning to my second home. This time we came in a big group of 14, but not for girls or nightlife. We came for the food and meanwhile enjoy our beer session and nightlife with brothers lah. The actual protagonist is this big fish, black tilapia. This is our buddy's eatery, riverside restaurant, about 1.5 km from Betong Clock Tower. It has a pleasant environment and calm setting with a soothing stream along the side. You can find the location map in the description below. All the fish here are picked and cooked on the spot. They are extremely fresh, so let me show you how big and heavy this fish is. In Malaysia, getting such a big fish is difficult. Even though you find one, the price is definitely very expensive. The fish was split into three and then cooked with three different flavors. Thai style steam, deep fried in soy sauce, as well as sweet and sour sauce. We also ordered tom yum, squid, prawns, etc. All that cost just about 5,000 baht, which I think is very fair. I have included all these recipes here. In return, please help to like, share, subscribe, or even buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. Thank you. After lunch, we stopped by this nice little shop for snacks and pastries. It is right beside the traffic light near the wet market. Tastes good and worth trying, especially their chendol. So, in the evening, what else? Go karaoke and drink with beautiful ladies lor. There are two new karaoke. Both are in the parking lot of the Kongka Hotel. One is Harbin while the other is Aloha. We stayed at Harbin for a short while because they were only around 10 p.m. Then we moved to Aloha next door. This is better. Good vibes, vibrant, and lots of friendly girls. You can bring them out for drinks until 1 a.m. local time and pay only a 1,000 baht bar fine. Extra services, negotiate separately lah. For the rest of the nights, as usual, we go to our regular spots like Oh Yes, Berlin Disco, RCA, Jockey Club, and Funny. There are no other new establishments than the two I mentioned earlier. Okay, just a short update this time. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again.